it's Empress again, and now I'm going to be showing you how to make this really adorable Valentine. What we did was we made it out of a plain paper plate, okay? Some brown and yellow, and a little bit of red scrap construction paper, okay? And I used a Sharpie. I do recommend using a Sharpie if you're going to write on the plate because it's just going to write better than your watercolor markers, but be careful. Make sure a grown-up does this part, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the cute little saying on there. You stole a pizza, my heart, and I just used a cutout heart for that. I went ahead and wrote it because it's really hard to write while you're going this way. So I would go ahead and write that out first. Okay. Now, you're going to want to cut out 6 red hearts because one of them you're going to glue, and I like to use glue stick. I feel it's like a little less messy. If you use glue bottle, remember a dot is a lot. Don't overdo it with that, okay? So I wrote, you stole a pizza, my, and then I just glued a cute little heart right there, okay? All right, now I'm gonna show you how to make the little hearts, but also how to make the little piece of pizza, okay? All right, so first off, you need to know how to make a heart. And the way you make a heart is you're just going to fold, okay? You start at the fold, you go up a little bit, and then you curve it, okay? So you have a curvy bit, okay? And then at this point, you're just gonna cut straight back to the fold at a diagonal. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut straight back to the fold at a diagonal. And remember, I said you are going to need 6 of those. So you'll need 6 little red hearts. Now, to make the pizza, you're gonna do almost exactly the same thing. The first thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to fold it. And obviously you do not need a whole piece of construction paper, okay? So I just kind of fold it. Now, if I want my pizza to be this wide, I'm gonna have to fold it half as wide as I want, or else you're gonna end up with a monstrous piece of pizza, okay? All right, this time, instead of going up first, you're just gonna kind of curve it straight around. So you're gonna start straight and you're just gonna curve it ever so slightly that way, okay? Until you get to right here, okay? I recommend stopping just before that. It makes it a little easier to handle, but if you go all the way, no big deal. All right, once you reach that point, you're going to, again, on a diagonal, just cut back to the fold, just like that, okay? And then what you'll have is a cute little slightly curved triangle, okay? All right, you're gonna wanna do the same thing with your yellow, except you're gonna want it slightly smaller. Now, of course, it's a little difficult sometimes to get it exactly right. So I'm gonna show you a little trick, okay? Again, I'm going to start off straight, curve it slightly, and then go diagonally back to my fold, okay? And if for some reason you end up and your cheese is bigger than your pizza, that's okay, because guess what you can do? All you have to do is cut it off a little bit, see? I'll just cut it that way a little bit. And cut a little bit off this side. Okay, and you could just kind of play around with it until it fits nicely, until you get it the size that you want, okay? And then you'll just glue those 2 pieces together. So I would just put some glue on the back. I'm sorry, I can't glue sticking straight up, so you're gonna have to just imagine me rubbing the glue on. There you go. All right, so there's the glue, and then I'm just gonna stick it to the bread part of the pizza, okay? All right, and here's where you're gonna want those small red hearts, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna make little heart pepperonis, okay? And this is what's really gonna make it look kind of pizza-ish, okay? So you'll take your hearts and you'll glue them on, okay? I like to do odd numbers. I think it works better, whatever you like. And you can put them anywhere, okay? I like to start at the bottom and put like one down here, okay? But just go crazy, however you feel like it. Okay, just put another one on there. Okay, I kind of made larger pepperonis this time, so I may not be able to fit as many. Again, my rule is try to do odd numbers, do 3 or 5, or if you make smaller pepperonis, you can even do 7, okay? Obviously, I made this one a little bit bigger. So there you go, you have a very large piece of pizza, all right? And now all you have to do is glue it to your thing here, okay? And you're going to want to kind of tilt it just a little bit, okay? So I would glue along this edge that's going to touch the plate. Okay? And then this part's going to really actually kind of land right up here. So I would just kind of put a little dot up there, okay? And then you can smooth it down like that, see? So you smooth this side, and you glue that, and there you have it. Have fun, guys.